Saturday traders, good morning. My name is Jonathan. I'm the owner of SysFX, and in today's video we're going to recap my entire week. Now this is my FTMO trading account, so as of right now I'm sitting at break even, no big deal, but let's get the show on the road. So the first day of the week was on the 20th. My first trade was GBP AUD. It was in a downtrend, and believe it or not, I have everything marked down as a trading journal to make it easier to do these recaps. So let's see the first one. This is my entry image, right? So you click on that, and it was a 4-hour. It actually broke through this way like this, downward. It touched here, bounced back down. So after all this rejection, it's only logical to sell. This is a 4-hour, so the more rejection at a higher time frame, the more likely it is to reverse. So that's exactly what was in my mind when I did this. I entered this trade, and if you go back to, it was ended up being a loss. You can see here I only lost 1%, but let's see the exit image. So ended up wicking right here and going straight back up. It was a loss. First trade of the week was a loss, no big deal. The next trade I took was the next day. It was a GBP CAD. There it is. Okay. So I have here in my notes, exited due to no volatility. So if you look at this, it's break even. Ended up being right here, and I exited around here. I remember now. It was actually like right before I was going to go to sleep. I'm like, it's not moving. I'm not going to touch it. So as soon as I closed it, it literally went straight down to stop loss. So I avoided that loss, which was kind of weird. It was like this intuition thing to close because it wasn't moving. So that was a break-even trade. My next one was AUD USD, and that one was actually a win. That was pretty cool. So from what I saw on the chart was it was going downward. It broke through. It was here, and it kind of broke this small support, and it was rejecting. So I was like, you know what? I'm not even going to think about it. I'm going to enter the trade. So this is how it ended up working out. So here's that break. It was support. It broke through, and then it retested, rejected for about 4 hours or so. It's good rejection for me. I only need two 1-hour candle rejections for me to enter a trade. So I entered it. Ended up going down lower later on, but I got my bag, so no worries. So that was my winning trade for the week. And my last one was NAS 100. So here, same thing. 4 hours, actually broke through, rejected, touched, and then it touched again, rejected, 2 candles of rejection. So there's my entry point. So I ended up entering up top right here. And by the end of the week, I think it was like Thursday or something like that, it ended up going upward. So not mad. There's more opportunities. It actually ended up going break even because you can see if you from this point entry price down here, it's more than what I'm risking. So I moved my stop loss to break even so I wouldn't lose any money in case this happens, right? It happens. Now, this is part of my plan. This does not have to be part of your trading plan. Maybe you can stick it out to your stop loss, but I've learned to move my stop loss to break even to avoid losses like that because that's unnecessary. If you're in profit, why would your winning trade become a losing trade? That's just my mentality. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and follow, subscribe if you like. There's a Telegram channel you guys can join and watch me trade these live. Obviously, I'm not the best, but I do make consistent money, guys. So thank you for watching.